VLC Media Player, the popular cross-platform multimedia software, is set to launch an innovative feature enabling automatic AI-generated subtitles in multiple languages. Videoland, the organization behind the 2-decade-old media player, unveiled the technology at the Consumer Electronics Show 2025. The company stated, VLC now offers real-time automatic subtitles and translations for any video, powered by cutting-edge AI models. This innovation ensures privacy, accessibility, and seamless multilingual viewing. To demonstrate the functionality, Videoland shared videos on X showcasing real-time subtitle generation and seamless translation into over 100 languages. The feature will be compatible with both pre-recorded videos and live broadcasts. Notably, it'll run locally on users' devices, eliminating the need for cloud services and ensuring greater privacy. The AI subtitle feature will debut as part of VLC version 4.0, a significant update that promises to revamp the app's interface. Originally announced in March 2024, the update will also include compatibility with Apple Vision Pro. While the exact release date for the AI-generated subtitles has yet to be announced, its introduction is expected to enhance accessibility for users worldwide.